Did you notice when I add the sound and
this voice effect, this video automatically becomes 10 times
more engaging?
Part 6 of Content Creation 101 series.
My videos went from this to this when I started adding sound effects to my videos. According to a Meta Creative report, audio plays a key role in driving attention and brand recall. So if you want people to actually finish your content, add those sounds. Comment sounds to get a list of sounds you can use and save this for your next edit.